Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing the look using the Physicians Formula and the Breakfast Club collection. So basically we have the eyeshadow palette, we have the face palettes, we have the lipsticks, we have a lot of new products to play with. Also throw in a sprinkle of like e.l.f. products to play with as well, super affordable and the same kind of price spectrum. You can find them in the same type of stores. So that is what we're doing today. So if you want to see what I loved, what I hated, just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take my e.l.f. Ride or Die lip balm. This one here is in Grapefruit Goals. And this one's really nice. It's just a little goopy in my opinion. But I did go ahead and throw in a bunch of like e.l.f. products in here as well, just to mix in with Physicians Formula collection that we're going to be using. So I'm just going to throw some of this on. I'm going to try to not overdo it because it can get a little gloopy if you do. So nice, so hydrating. And it smells amazing, girl. So if you guys watched my Temu video, I did go ahead and purchase two eyebrow pencils. We have this one here. This is called their Easy Brow Contouring product, and it basically comes with a bunch of different colors, shades of dark brown. We also have the IMETHOD Beauty brow product as well, the one that comes with like a fork-like kind of applicator. Really nice, really simple to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Deeper. This is just a shade that I've been loving, and basically to get more product you just kind of have to twist and it moves up, so that's really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this product to kind of give my brows some shape, and then we'll go in and fill them in with the IMETHOD product. I love that this actually shows up on my skin even when it's so dewy from the heat. Love it. Going in with the IMETHOD, I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the sparse areas of the brow real quick. And this is such a good color for my hair. It's not too dark, you know, like it's like actual, it's a nice color. It's not taking over the whole eyebrow. So since it is pretty humid in here, I'm just going to go ahead and start with eyes. That's just like the easiest route, and then we'll tackle face products later. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. You guys know, girl, I love this. I literally use it all the time for the same exact purpose, which is just to clean up the brows and set the lids. I also just love using it for my under eyes as well. But this is basically my routine that I always go for. So I'm just gonna tap 1, 2, 3, 4 and throw some on the lid as well. You guys know the drill. I'm gonna go ahead and take a flat brush. Kind of clean up the brows. Gives you a nice like clean slate before eyeshadow goes on. There's no veininess, there's no darkness. It just gives you a nice bright canvas. And I do use my concealer in the shade medium beige. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this in with my Papa sponge. So today we do have the Physicians Formula and the Breakfast Club collection. I actually watched this movie maybe once or twice in my life. I think it's cute, not a favorite, but my boyfriend did spot this collection. It was like the whole PR box at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, and he went ahead and picked it up for me, and that is why we're filming this video. I myself have spotted a couple of these products individually at Marshall's and TJ Maxx as well, but not the whole PR box, so I thought that was really interesting. And we do have the eyeshadow palette again. This one's called Being Bad Feels Pretty Good palette, and I love that they went with neutral tones in here, and it's like a really nice kind of quality packaging. On the back you do get the names of these shadows as well, and then when you do open it, it's actually a really nice palette. Again, very much neutral vibes, very everyday vibes. This is really nice, and again the quality of the palette's actually really pretty as well. You do not get a mare, which I'm okay with, but this is actually a really nice palette from what I can tell. So hopefully the eyeshadow formula is good as well. See, like it gets so goopy. Why does it do that? And that's really gonna annoy me when I'm editing this. Watch, that's like the time when I decide to speak the most, is when I have a goopy gloss. Okay, we're just gonna go right in. I'm gonna go ahead and take, I guess, this shade right here. It almost looks like a satin kind of shade, not a matte. Yeah, we get like a little bit of matte shades, mostly satin shades in this palette, but I'm gonna try to make it work. Oh, this is definitely a shimmer. Let's retract. I'm gonna go back with my sponge. Kind of blend that out. Hold on. Right, so I'm just gonna take the matte shade. Oh my god, these are so powdery. we're just taking that dark shade, kind of just blending that out. Girl, these are so ultra powdery. It's crazy. Going back with that shimmer shade, I'm just kind of blending this out. I'm actually liking the shimmer shade more than this dark shade, to be honest. But we're still going to take some of that deep moment and just kind of deepen out this outer corner with that. Nothing else we can really do, because there's no like nice neutral matte shade in here. It has a lot of satin shades and shimmer shades. Not a lot of mattes, to be honest. I think we only have like 2, maybe 3 matte shades and then a bunch of satins and shimmer shades. Okay, so we're here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade. It just looks so beautiful and it's just a shimmer moment, and I'm gonna take that on the lid with my finger. Oh, that looks so beautiful. And I'm trying to keep it a little low. I don't want it to go too up high and just, you know. Oh my gosh, that's stunning. It's like a foiled kind of shade. Wow, that's so beautiful. I'm taking a little bit of that deep shade using a different brush. This one's just a little more concentrated. And I'm just, again, packing it on the outer corner, but I don't want it to take over the whole look. So I'm trying to keep it low. Going back with that shimmer shade from the beginning, I'm just gonna kind of blend this out a little bit. For eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and take the e.l.f. waterproof eyeliner. You guys know this is a favorite in the shade black. I'm just going to go ahead and create a wing. Alright, so this collection actually did come with its own mascara. So this is the Physicians Formula, the Breakfast Club Detention Mascara. Looks like so. It's actually really stunning. Let me know if you watched the movie. Is it a favorite for you? Because, you know, it's really nice. And I remember it being really funny. I haven't watched it in a long time. There's a look at the wand. It's actually really nice. I love that it's nice and long. It's not too fluffy and too big, too out there. It's actually really nice, like concentrated mascara. So let's go ahead and throw a little bit of that on the lashes. Interesting, this mascara literally has like a fragrance to it. Like it smells like perfume. That's interesting. So definitely be careful if you are allergic to fragrance or you just don't like it. This mascara is definitely scented. Alright, so we do have 2 different primers to throw on. First off, we have the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter, and I use mine in the shade Medium 4. I always forget about this product. Like the last time they did my e.l.f. full face, literally forgot about this. So today, we're going to pull this out. We're going to give our skin a little more luminosity than I already have going on from the sweat. My primer brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend that right into the skin. I know some people even just go in with just this product alone. I've never like tried that, to be honest. I always throw stuff over top like foundation or whatever, but let me know if you use it on its own. Does it last? How does it look? I don't know. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take just a little bit of the e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. I just want to kind of test it out a little more. It is new to me. So I'm just going to take some of that on like the inner portions of the face, like the T-zone area. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in with my fingers. Next, taking the e.l.f. Camo CC cream, I go ahead and use mine in medium 330W. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw it on just a little bit of this over top. This is very like full coverage vibes. Love it. I'm going to go ahead and take my e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand. So you guys know I own the contour, the blush, and the highlight. So I'm just going to quickly throw some of this on. I'm just going to take my e.l.f. brush and just stamp that right on. Right, next taking my liquid blush. This one here is in the shade Berry Radiant from e.l.f. Cute. It's such a beautiful color. Such a great formula to work with, and they're also super inexpensive as well. Lastly, for creams, I'm going to go ahead and take the highlight in the shade Rose Quartz. To be honest, I'm a little scared to even go in with powders because my base is so dewy. Kind of just want to do powders on the under eyes. Let's see how that works. So next, I'm going to go ahead and take some of the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer that I spoke about earlier. And I'm just going to do one line on the under eyes. Just blend that in. Stunning. I'm going to go ahead and take some of the Be Pure pressed powder. This one here is from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use this on the under eyes. I'm just going to go ahead and use this to set. And I am almost through this, so I'm going to have to go around. Just to press that on there, just so I can kind of set that concealer down. Alright, so I'm going to try to lightly set the rest of the skin using the e.l.f. HD powder, because this is so translucent and finely milled. Hopefully it doesn't stick to any like weird areas of the skin. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take just a little bit of this product just to kind of set me down. I don't want to look too ultra dewy, since I am going to go in with a like dewy kind of mist at the end. I don't want to look matte in some areas. I do sense some movement on my nose, so I kind of don't want to touch that area. I'm going to go ahead and take one of the face palettes. We have volume 2, which is the Saturday Detention face palette. I think I'm going to go in with the other one, but I just kind of want to show you guys. This is volume 2. Comes with most, they literally come with like the same kind of products, but some of them do come with more like mattes than shimmers. This one here is really nice as well, but I think I'm gonna go in with volume 1. Here is volume 1, super cute. And then again, the inside, it has a matte bronzer. We have 2 matte blushes and then the highlights. So I kind of like this one a little more. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the matte bronzer, the deepest one, which is this one here. Take some of that and just start kind of with this product. I am also setting that cream bronzer underneath, and I'm just tapping it on instead of swiping, because again, my base is pretty dewy right now. I don't want to remove the foundation underneath, so I'm just kind of tapping that on. Next, taking the pink blush in here, I'm just going to go ahead and blush up the cheeks. I'm not going to throw some on the bridge of the nose, because again, I don't want to take a sensitive area. Okay, the foundation tends to move the most there. Whoa, this is really pigmented. Yeah, I'm gonna throw some on the temples a little bit as well. And take the highlights. I'm just gonna mix the two for the inner corner for the face. All right, so now we can tackle lips. First off, we have my favorite Ebony New York lip liner. I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips with my favorite lip liner ever. Super inexpensive and amazing, girl. Alright, so this collection did come with 3 separate lipsticks. First off, we have this one here. There's a look at the packaging, super cute. Love that it's a clear top so you can see the different colors in here. Also on the back, you get the actual name, on the information and everything. So this is the Breakfast Club, the Princess Lipstick, and this one here is in Get Real. So let's see which one I want to use. So this one's definitely more on the like light pink kind of side. And then we have the shade The World is an Imperfect Place, which looks like so. This one is definitely more on the orangey, reddy kind of a lipstick vibe. And lastly, we have the I Don't Like Mondays, which is definitely more nudie. Yeah, this is definitely more nude vibes, which is this one here. So I think I'm going to go in with this lipstick here. Just kind of using that as an ombre kind of moment. All right, last, I'm gonna go ahead and top it over with the I Heart Revolution Cocoa Pebbles lip gloss, and this one's really nice. Hopefully it doesn't like alter the lip too much, because it's like really pigmented as well. Oh no, it's perfect. Okay, gonna tap that right onto the lips. Lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and take my IMETHOD Cosmetics face finishing spray. You guys know this was a definite favorite, super inexpensive, really great. So this is just gonna give me a nice dewy look to the skin. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. Definitely looking really nice. I feel like the eyeshadow palette was really cute. Wish that it had a little more matte shades in it. The foundation and everything's looking really nice. I am now noticing that I forgot to tone down that blush, so I'll definitely have to do this after, but it looks really nice. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Let me know what you loved, what you hated. Let me know everything in the comments down below so we can chat about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.